This review compiles feedback from users across the internet about the Mini Humidifier by HOTFFISH, a compact USB-powered device designed for small spaces such as study rooms, bedrooms, baby rooms, offices, and cars. The humidifier is marketed as a portable and quiet solution to improve air moisture, featuring a 7-color LED ambient light and ultrasonic operation. It is intended to help with skin moisturizing and reduce dryness-related discomfort. The device measures approximately 2.76 inches in diameter and width, and 4.61 inches in height, weighing just 3.5 ounces, making it highly portable and easy to place in tight spaces. Users appreciate the humidifier's quiet operation with noise levels below 20 decibels, which makes it suitable for use in bedrooms and offices without causing disturbance. The 7-color LED lighting adds an atmospheric touch, providing a gentle nightlight effect that some users find pleasant. The device operates via USB power, compatible with computer ports, mobile phone chargers, or car USB outlets, which enhances its versatility for travel and daily use. However, the humidifier's performance in terms of moisture output has received mixed reviews. Some users report that it produces only a light mist or fog-like plume rather than a strong humidifying effect, which may not be sufficient for larger rooms or those with significant dryness. The small size limits the water capacity, requiring frequent refills and limiting continuous operation time. The manufacturer recommends operating the device for 2 hours, followed by a 2-hour rest to prevent damage to the circuit board. Several users have encountered issues with product quality and durability. Common complaints include the device stopping working after a few days, leaking water due to the top cover not screwing on securely, and defective units that fail to produce mist despite the LED lights functioning. Some customers received units with damaged or creased cotton tubes, which are essential for moisture absorption and mist production. Replacement cotton tubes are available but require trimming to fit, which may be inconvenient for some users. The humidifier's ease of use is generally seen as straightforward, though the lack of detailed instructions in the package has caused confusion for some buyers. Online resources such as YouTube tutorials have helped users understand how to operate the device properly, including the use of a pause button that is not clearly explained in the manual. The device uses a wick filter system that must be moistened before use to ensure proper function. In terms of design, the humidifier is praised for its compactness and portability, making it suitable for small personal spaces and travel. It is also noted for its good air tightness, preventing water and electricity leakage when tipped over. However, the non-screw top design has led to accidental spills, sometimes damaging nearby items. This design flaw is a significant drawback for users seeking a spill-proof humidifier. The humidifier is intended for use with clean tap water only, and users are advised not to add powders or oils that could clog the filter. While the product can be used as a cold mist aroma diffuser with essential oils, this is not emphasized in the instructions, and users should proceed cautiously to avoid damage. Overall, the Mini Humidifier by HOTFFISH offers a budget-friendly, compact option for adding moisture to small spaces, with the added benefit of ambient lighting. It is most suitable for users who need a quiet, portable device for short-term use in confined areas. However, potential buyers should be aware of the limitations in mist output, water capacity, and build quality. The product may not meet the expectations of those seeking a robust, long-lasting humidifier, or those with larger rooms requiring significant humidity control. The mixed customer ratings, averaging 3.2 out of 5 stars from over 1,000 reviews, reflect these strengths and weaknesses. Many users emphasize that the product is a low-cost solution with some compromises in durability and performance. If you own this humidifier, sharing your experience in the comments can help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is provided in the description to support the channel and for easy access. In conclusion, this mini humidifier is a neat gadget for light, personal humidification needs with the convenience of USB power and a quiet operation. It is best suited for small spaces and users who prioritize portability and ambient lighting over heavy-duty humidification. Buyers should manage expectations regarding longevity and mist output and handle the device carefully to avoid spills and damage. This product fits well within the category of affordable, compact gadgets that make life easier, especially for those looking to improve air moisture in small personal environments.